Hi my dear children, good morning to all. So last class we were discussing about our second chapter, and what was that chapter? The grasslands. Yes or no? So we were discussing about the definition for the grasslands. Yes or no? Then different types of, that is temperate grasslands can be divided into. Is it that all things we were discussing? So today we are going to discuss about the vegetation and wildlife. We are going to discuss about the vegetation and wildlife. Listen carefully. First we have to say about the soil. S-O-I-L. We have to say about the soil. Soil in the sense it is dark and fertile. What is the speciality of the soil? Soil is very dark and fertile. And the next thing, tall grass only grow there. Tall grass will only grow there. In which season? In summer season. In summer season only tall grass will grow there. And after sometimes we can see this grass color will change into brown during autumn season. This grass color will change to brown, otherwise turn to brown in which season? In autumn season. Is it clear for you? Next one. We can see a herd of bisons, otherwise group of bisons. Bisons means it's an animal. So no, a herd of bisons, otherwise group of bisons can be seen in this grasslands. And what happened to this bisons? The thing is that we can see different group of bisons, and after sometimes man began to come there. Arrival of man came, and what happened? This man started killing these bisons for meat. What happened to this herd of otherwise group of bisons? Man came, they started killing bisons for the purpose of getting meat. M-E-A-T. For the purpose of getting meat. And what happened? Next we are going to discuss about the main crops of these grasslands. We are going to discuss about the main crops of the grasslands. Listen carefully. The main crops are wheat, maize, barley, etc. What are the main crops? Wheat, maize, then barley, etc. And the next we are going to discuss about in the northern prairies. The last class we were discussing about prairies. So in the northern prairies, what happened? Wheat is the main crop. Which is the main crop? In the northern prairies, wheat is the main crop. And whereas in the Northern America, we told wheat can be seen in a large scale. That's it. So this Northern America is known as the wheat basket of the world. This Northern America is known as the wheat basket of the world. The prairies of Northern America is called as the wheat basket of the world. And also in the southern prairies, northern prairies is there and also southern prairies is there. In the southern prairies, we can see a large amount of cotton. C-O-T-T-O-N. We can see a large amount of cotton. So my dear children, today we were discussing about the vegetation and wildlife of the grassland. Yes or no? And the first point was we were discussing about the soil. We were discussing about the soil. Soil is very fertile and dark in color. Soil is very fertile and dark in color. And we can see only tall grass in which season? Summer season. And in autumn season, what happened? This grass color will change into brown color. Then we can see herd or group of bisons. And arrival of man, what happened? These bisons were killed by the man for the purpose of getting meat. Then the last point, we were discussing about the main crops, wheat, barley, maize, etc. And in the northern prairies, we can see a large amount of wheat. So what happened? The prairies of North America is known as the wheat basket of the world. And in the southern prairies, we can see a large amount of cotton. So before winding the class, my dear children, go through this vegetation and wildlife and write the points in your notebook. Okay, God bless you. Thank you.